Okay, you've heard me talk about Kundalini Yoga on Instagram, maybe on TikTok. And if you're here already on YouTube with me, you know that Kundalini Yoga is my thing. And I want to introduce more and more and more of you to it. Why? Because we're at a time in our lives where our emotional, mental, spiritual, and overall well-being have as much to do with our minds as it does with our hearts, our souls, and how we feel. And in the course of my lifetime, I haven't found anything that works as effectively, as efficiently as Kundalini Yoga. And so that's my offering to you today, is to sit with me for a few minutes. Let's do some really interesting, unique kind of movements and breath work. And let's get the body up to speed with where the mind wants to take us. And this is a really powerful way to get that somatic connection. So the connection between the body, the brain, the soul, the heart, and so that we're operating as a unified being, not discombobulated and disembodied, but a unified experience in this thing that we call life. But before we begin, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist. If all this sounds like an interesting ride, join me now. It's just going to be a few minutes and an opportunity to explore what Kundalini Yoga is. So if you're a beginner, this is perfect. If you've been around for a while, you're going to love it too. Sitting up tall and straight. Take a moment to settle into your body, settle into your breath, make sure your spine is straight, and make a connection with the base of your spine. So really just feel down into the lowest part of you, the part of you that's sitting closest to the chair or to the sofa or to the floor, and give that a little squeeze. Inhale and squeeze that area. This is called root lock, and release. Inhale, squeeze those lower muscles, those intrinsic muscles, and release. One more time, inhale very deeply, squeeze those muscles, enlivening the entire body system, the energetic system. Feel the energy go upwards and release. Beautiful. We start with a quick mantra, Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. This prepares us for the practice. It calls on the inner teacher, the inner guide. This is the sacred language of Gurumukhi. Close your eyes now. I'm going to chant it quickly 3 times so that this can be a quick little practice you can do anywhere. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. Good, and release. Here's a warm-up exercise. I just want you to roll your shoulders up and down, up and down, up and down, wiggle your shoulders around. Just release any tension that might have popped into your day, into your life from typing or texting or whatever the thing is that you do. Keep going, 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 keep going. Awesome. There we go. The first exercise is called Ego Eradicator. This whole practice is for energizing, stimulating creativity, and bringing about prosperity. So bring your hands up like this, squeeze your hands into fists, bring your arms into a V-shaped position. I'm just going to keep them right here so you can see where my hands are on the camera. And stick your tongue out, begin panting like a dog. I know, it sounds weird. Just do it anyway. We're detoxifying. Ready? If you're pregnant or menstruating, don't do this. Just do long, deep breathing. Close your mouth now and do it through your nose. Inhale deeply and squeeze your thumbs into the middle of your fist. Squeeze and tense. You feel a little more invigorated right now. You feel like energy is moving all over you right now. Great. Bring your arms all the way up and then bring your thumbs to touch each other above your head. and float your fingertips all the way down. Leave your fingertips down on the ground or the side of the chair or the couch, wherever you're sitting. Awesome. Feel that feeling. Bring your hands onto your knees. Take 5 breaths here and consider anything that might be blocking you, something that's getting in your way, a mood, a person, a place, a thing, something that's blocking you. Think about that right now and take 5 breaths. Just bring it into your awareness. Bring your hands into fists. Now we're just going to like get it out of our way, okay? At your own pace, keep your breath going. Inhale, exhale. Inhale deeply, squeeze all your muscles, squeeze, tense, hold. Exhale, let it go. Inhale, squeeze, tense, hold. Exhale. One more time. Exhale. Let it go. Wiggle your fingers. Here's the last one, very short. Meditation uses an affirmation. Stay with it best you can. These are words of aspiration. These are words to bring you into a bigger sense of yourself, beyond your personality, who you are on a soul level. Okay. One palm on top of the other, thumb tips together, and drop this mudra into your lap. This hand position goes into your lap. Close your eyes. And you're going to be repeating a very profound statement. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. Last one. I am bountiful. I am beautiful. I am bliss. Excel, excel, fearless. Inhale deeply. Squeeze root lock. Squeeze those intrinsic muscles. Bring your body into awareness. Bring your body right here. Exhale. Inhale. Squeeze those intrinsic muscles. Squeeze root lock. Squeeze anus, sex organs, navel center, the place closest to the chair or whatever you're sitting on. Squeeze, tense, hold lightly, and release. One more time for awareness. And release. Now to conclude our practice, 2 bookends, a sound vibration in the beginning, a sound vibration at the end, to hold in all of the energy that we've just created and transmuted in the body system for our longevity, for our vitality, for prosperity. Long Sat, short Nam, truth is my name. pressing the palms together. Shoulders are relaxed. Chin is tucked in. Sit with a spine of steel and a heart of gold. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Taking a moment to bow in reverence to yourself for showing up today, for your curiosity, for your spiritual development, and for all the teachers who have come before us. Satnam means truth is, there is only you and I. There is only oneness. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share, send it to your friends, your family, whoever would be open and interested in learning about how to connect body and mind and spirit together. And if you're looking for more, you can always check out yoga teacher training, Kundalini yoga teacher training, or a numerology consult. Check the links in my bio. Lots of love to you. Until next time, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist. See you next time.